Hey there. Today we're going to talk about the congruence and similarity assignment here. Um, First, we read the directions. Triangle ABC is mapped onto triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, which is then mapped onto triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. Triangle ABC and triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime are shown in the diagram. So already we need to think to ourselves, what's missing? There is a missing triangle on this coordinate plane that is this middle one, A prime, B prime, C prime. So question 1 asks you to describe the sequence of transformations from triangle ABC to triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. I have a little problem with this question. I actually feel like instead of the word the here, we should have the word a, because there's actually a few different ways that you can go from here to there. And so what you're going to want to picture here, clearly it got bigger, so you're going to want to have a dilation. And you can quickly check what scale factor. You have B to C is 3 units in your first triangle, and B to C in your second triangle is 6. So you do know that your scale factor will be 2. You also are going to need to identify the point of dilation, the center, and you'll need to describe which other transformation or other transformations to get there. So you're likely going to have a slide or a translation and a rotation. So there's a few answers here. So give it a shot. But the one I really want to talk about today is this one. Describe a single transformation that can take you from triangle ABC to the other one on our coordinate plane, triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. This, I'm not sure you learned this in your lessons, and so I'm just going to show you. When you see this and you know you're getting bigger, so you know there's got to be a dilation. So since it's telling you there's a single transformation, you know that that single transformation must be a dilation since the size of your triangle is changing. So here is a clue about how to do that. We already know that the scale factor will be some sort of 2. We need the center point and we need the scale factor. So the way we do this is kind of neat. You are going to connect your B to B prime and C to C prime. And A to A prime. So let's just do that. B to B prime, C to C prime, and A to A prime. Okay, so this is kind of interesting. Most dilations you're used to look almost like a triangular prism, right? Where they go, where you might have your two shapes, something like this, and you had a triangle that that got bigger or smaller in this method. But there's an interesting thing that happens when you connect the your points to your primes. If the center of dilation is in between. See how the center of dilation here is in between the two shapes? There's something cool. This is actually going to be a negative dilation. So the scale factor is -2. There's a mathematical explanation you may learn about if you continue to study math in high school and beyond. But the trick is if it's in the middle, it's going to be negative. The scale factor is -2, and now we can identify the center of dilation. -3, 1. Okay, this is the answer. You are welcome to use that on your Use for Mastery. The last question, this is what I really want to see your reasoning for this. What is the relationship between triangle ABC and triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime? I really want you to be able to identify how translations, rotations, reflections, dilations can create similar or congruent figures. And I want you to use a sentence or two to describe that. I'm going to be looking for your own thoughts here for number C. Okay? So again, number A, more than one right answer. Letter A, more than one right answer. Letter B, go ahead and use this that I've just shown you. And letter C, give me some of your own thoughts. Thank you so much. Have a great day.